Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing 1200 kilogram spring jack stand that I bought from the bar. Let's open the box, see what's inside.
This jack stand is made from strong steel and the finishing looks really good. The welds look neat and solid, so it feels very safe to use. The height adjustment pin is thick and strong and it locks nicely. You can also see the instruction printed on the base of the stand, which is helpful when using it for the first time. The bottom has a wide base, so it gives better balance and stability. Overall, it feels heavy, durable, and good quality for the price. If you are doing any kind of work underneath the car, you should use a hydraulic jack as well as jack stand for extra safety. Sometimes the vehicle can slip or fall, and that can cause serious head injuries. Using this tool helps you avoid those risks. Now I'll show you how to use this jack stand. First, place the hydraulic jack under the car's safety jacking point and lift the vehicle. Then put the jack stand under a strong frame point. Slowly release the hydraulic jack so the car rests safely on the jack stand. Make sure it is stable before doing any work underneath. The safety pin locks the main pin in the place so it won't release or move while the car is on the jack stand. So that's how you use the jack stand safely. Always double check before going under the car. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.